Maximize contains every mineral in the periodic table, and it has higher level microbes, bacteria, fungi, protozoa. The microbes digest thatch and dead leaves and start a cycle that's very productive for the life of your soil. Maximize can easily be applied by hand, and it can be applied onto bare soil or onto mulch. There's no need to till it in. It's great to apply Maximize next to roots. It contains mycorrhiza, which attaches itself to roots, aids in nutrition, stimulation of root growth, and it aids in disease suppression. Maximize is fantastic for lawns and plants of all kinds and soil of all kinds. For small plants and starters, use 3/8 of a cup. For small trees and shrubs, use 3/4 of a cup. For large trees and shrubs, use 1.5 cups. This 8-pound bag treats 1,000 square feet. The applications don't need to be precise, and you can't over-apply it, and really, the more the better. We've given you a rate which we think gives you the best value. We usually put on the recommended rate over large areas and then put a little extra on specific plants that aren't doing well and need help. Maximize is activated by water, so if you want it to work, at some point you have to water it, but you don't have to water it right when you put it on. If you have drip irrigation, it'd be nice to apply it when you're still going to have some rain, and also you can use a hose if you'd like, or you can just wait and eventually it'll be activated by moisture. It's 100% organic, safe for people and pets. Maximize is available in an 8-pound bag and a 32-pound bag. We recommend 2 applications during the year. Spring and fall is the best. For the fastest, most comprehensive results, use Maximize with our other products.
Yeah.